Welcome to my channel Striker24x7. If you like my YouTube videos, then subscribe, click the bell icon, like, comment, and share. In this video I am going to show you how to configure firewall in ViciBox-10. This video applicable to ViciBox version 10.0.0. Here's the step to be followed. In this video, we are going to follow the steps mentioned in my website and blog. I have provided the link in this video description. Here is my freshly installed ViciBox, without the firewall enabled. You can see now, I am able to log in to ViciDial admin portal. I am able to register a SIP extension in my soft phone. Also, I am able to log in as an agent to the ViciDial agent portal. Now we are going to restrict the user access to admin portal, agent portal and SIP registration only to the users, whose IP is whitelisted either static entry or through dynamic portal using ViciBox-Firewall. We will following the steps, mentioned in my blog. SSH to your ViciDial server, with root access. Step 1. Edit the VB-firewall file, and change the name IPBLACK to IPDYNAMIC, as shown here. Save the file. Step 2. Adding the missing firewall rules. Edit the public.xml file using VI editor. Now copy-paste the missing rules from my blog before the last line, that is before the word zone as shown here. Save the file. Step 3. Activating the IP list option. Log in to your ViciDial admin portal, and navigate to Admin, System Settings menu. Then activate the IP list option. Next, step 4, attaching the public zone to our public-facing interface. In SSH console, type YAST firewall for firewall options. Under Firewall window, scroll down and select Interface and press Enter. By default zone is attached to the interface. Select the interface and change the zone to public. Next, step 5, remove the default services from public zone, and add the VC portal and VC portal SSL service to the allowed list. Under the firewall window, scroll down and select public zone and press Enter. Now under the allowed list of public zone, select Apache, Apache SSL, *, and DHCP v6. Now either select Remove, or press Alt-E, to remove these services from allowed list. Now from the known list category, search for VC portal and VC portal-SSL services. Select both VC portal and VC portal-SSL, and select either Add or press Alt-D to add these services to allowed list. Once done, select Accept or press Alt-A to save the changes. Next, step 6, cron job entries. In SSH console, type cron tab-e, and go to the last line of the file. either delete or comment the last 2 lines, which I have shown here. Now in the last line, copy and paste the entries, which I have given in my blog. Once done, save the changes by pressing Ctrl X and pressing Y keyboard letter. Finally, to affect all the settings, give a reboot to the ViciBox server. Once the server booted up, log in to your SSH console. Now the firewall is enabled. You may notice now I am not able to access the ViciDial admin or agent portal. Also, I am not able to register SIP endpoint. To enable the access, I need to validate my IP using ViciBox-Dynamic portal. To access the dynamic portal, browse http://server IP:81/validate.php. If you are using SSL access, then you can access your dynamic portal by browsing https://server IP:446/validate.php. Now enter the valid credentials. Based on the successful authentication, your IP address will be validated and added in the dynamic whitelist. Now let's try to access the ViciDial service. You can see now I am able to access admin portal, able to register my SIP softphone and also able to log in to agent portal. Now step 8, useful commands to check the firewall configs. Type IP set --list, this will display all the sets and you can check your IPs under the which category assigned. Type firewalld -cmd-list-all, this display the current active zone and rules and service assigned. Finally type nftables table inet firewalld, this will display the NFT tables with respective rules. Thanks for watching. Catch you yet another video.